On to news now from the world of technology. Now, the question is, how important truly is it for parents to give consent for their teenage children to create social media accounts? And can the content on these platforms mislead the children?
Now, if you ask the children or if you ask anybody who's 15, 16, 17, 18, they'll obviously not agree with this. They wouldn't want their parents knowing what they're up to on social media.
Right.
I remember I was, I think 14 or 15 when I got my first social media account.
Right.
And I definitely didn't want my parents knowing what I'm up to at that time. But,
Right.
knowing what all is out there today as compared to 15 years ago,
Absolutely.
I think it changes a lot of things.
Right. Now, the question is it okay for children under the age of 18 to exercise their free will before they go on creating their profiles on Instagram, X, TikTok? Now,
there's so many of them.
Right.
And there is access to so much content from across the globe and so many things that you would not want your ward or your child, mimicking at home, seeing all these social media accounts. So there is a lot of debate around this. But a federal judge on Thursday temporarily blocked Arkansas, a state in the United States, from enforcing a new law that would have required parental consent for minors to create new social media accounts. Let us get to know more about what exactly is happening here in Arkansas.
Now, U.S. District Judge Timothy Brooks issued a special court order as per the request of NetChoice. It's a trade group that includes TikTok, Meta and X. As per the ruling by the judge Timothy Brooks, age gating on social media platforms is not the right way to protect minors and even adults. It is rather the kind of content that calls for moderation by the state apparatus.
Now, let us understand the two sides here of the debate. NetChoice went ahead to call the law as unconstitutional, citing the First Amendment Act and that the law could have censored free speech. Republic Attorney Tim Griffin, on the other side, claimed that the decision to strike down the law puts children at risk and that they will continue to defend the law. Lastly, the Arkansas law did not exactly state which platforms would it cover under its jurisdiction. Would it only apply to TikTok and Instagram, or networking and work-oriented platforms like LinkedIn and Google would also come under the same umbrella? There seemed to be no clarity on this yet.
Right, and social media companies, in fact, have faced increasing scrutiny over their platform's effect on teen mental health. And it is important for the state and businesses to find the right balance, of course.
Exactly, but the content needs to be regulated. There's no doubt in that, as far as at least youngsters are concerned.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.